Hey there, friends. Jeff Fritz here, and I'm talking to my friend Hadi from LEADTOOLS, and we're talking about all the cool new things with .NET 5. How's it going there, Hadi?
I'm good. How are you doing, Jeff?
Oh, I'm so excited. .NET 5 release day. There's new features in Blazor, new features in desktop applications. There's got to be some exciting things happening for you and the folks at LEADTOOLS because of this.
Yeah, so we've been around for quite a while, back in the 90s, back when we were always in a Microsoft shop. And so we build software toolkits for developers. And we started out back in .NET 1. And so going through this, with Microsoft as a partner and going through up till .NET 5 now, back when .NET Core was released, we released NuGets and, libraries to support Xamarin and .NET Standard and .NET Core. And now, that everything is kind of combined into .NET 5, we're really excited because, all of our stuff, we've been testing it in preview. It's seamless transition. And so we're super excited to help developers, build .NET 5 applications.
Oh, I love how you highlighted there. Everything's come together and it's a seamless transition. That cannot be underestimated. The amount of value that brings. Oh, so I also heard that there's a new version of LEADTOOLS available. What's in that latest version? What version 21? I think I saw.
Yeah, so back in fall of this year, we released version 21 of our toolkit. And we've been a big player in the OCR space for a while. And I know you've used our tools before, OCR tools in a project. And so recently in 21, we added a handwritten recognition. And to help developers with their applications, if you don't know what kind of input you're getting, if it's hand printed or machine printed, we have added mixed zone recognition, so you can automatically determine various zones within a document or within an image that are hand printed, that are machine printed, or that has a little check at the bottom. If it's a passport string, we can recognize that as well.
Oh, cool.
Little bubbles on a bubble sheet, which is called OMR. We can automatically recognize that, as well as any images and graphics within it, as well as table zones and cells. And so that's a really neat feature that we're trying, that we're highlighting, with this release.
Now, as an American, and right around the election here, I can't imagine too many of us have had filling out bubble sheets as something that we've been doing recently here. And to be able to have a tool that we can embed in our favorite .NET applications to recognize bubbles and all those various different types of data input, that's just tremendous to have at our fingertips. And that integrates with all the .NET things, not just a desktop application, but I love hearing Xamarin applications because now I can hook it up to my phone camera. What about Blazor? Does this work with Blazor too?
Yeah, so all of our tools, we have web-enabled tools as well that will work with Blazor with the .NET as well.
Oh my gosh! So there's all these great tools that'll help me identify text, identify characters, handwritten text. I love hearing about the mixed zone recognition. That was a problem that I ran into at one point when I was using the tools, because I was trying to recognize too many things. There were too many different types of text around the field, the picture I was taking. So that is a huge improvement, and I'm so happy to hear that it's in the box now. It's one of those features. If I want to learn more about LEADTOOLS, where can I go to check out and find out more about the product?
Yeah, feel free to come to our website, www.leadtools.com. Get a free 60-day evaluation of our tools, and you can check out everything there.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Hadi. I really appreciate you spending some time with us.
Thank you, Jeff.
Alrighty. And for the rest of you, we'll see you for more .NET Conf 2020. Stay tuned.